Dear student, good afternoon. I hope you are all well by the grace of Almighty Allah. I am Muhammad Mustafizur Rahman, a senior assistant teacher, Mamun City Public High School, Sunutia Bazar, Jamalpur. Welcome to online class again. Today I want to discuss about rearrange. In previous class you read about rearrange. Now I want to discuss rearrange details. Look at the whiteboard. I have written 10 sentences. At first, you have to read these sentences very attentively and very carefully. Then you try to understand the meaning of these sentences. Then, after reading these sentences, you have to write these sentences in a paragraph in your answer script or in the examination. Before this, you have to draw a list upper the khata. Then you have to write only key number in the list. Next, you write a complete paragraph below. Now, read the sentences very carefully. The room was full of people. He felt a little uneasy as he waited for his turn. He sat beside a bearded man. Kamal was a student. His examination was very near. He used to go to bed late. He fell sick. He went to consult a doctor. He entered the waiting room. He was working very hard for it. You must memorize the sentences and try to understand the meaning. Have you understood the sentences, the meaning? Can I discuss the Bengali? Listen to again and read 2 or 3 times. Next, you have to write the keywords in the box. Can you say which sentence you have to write number 1? Find it. Which sentence? Kamal was a student. I think first sentence is Kamal was a student. Now you can write the box number D. What will be number D? First number D. Next number, try to find the next number. His examination was very near. Number E. Number E. Next, read the sentences again. Number J. Number 3 will be number J. He was working very hard for it. J number. Now, try to fill up number 4. Number 4. He used to go to bed late. F number. Number F. What will be number 5? He fell sick. G number. G. Next number 6. Number 6. What will be number 6? He want to consult. He want to consult a doctor. H number. Number is next number. What will be? He entered the waiting room. Number I. What will be? Number 8. Number 8. Find out. Number 8. He sat beside a bearded man. C number. Number C. Number 9. Find out. Number 9. A number. I think number A. The room was full of people. Number 10. Number 10. Number B. He felt a little uneasy as he waited for his turn. Number B. Have you understood? First item. There are two parts. First, you have to draw a list. Then, reading these sentences, you have to write only keywords. Keywords in the box. If you write in your exercise khata only chart but not pages, you will get half number for writing the chart. You will another work you have to write to write a paragraph all the sentences. After finishing the chart, you must write a paragraph below the khata. Now try to write according to chart. Number D. Kamal was a student. Kamal was a student. Number E. His examination was very near. His examination was very near. Number J. He was working very hard for it. He was working very hard for it. Number F number. He used to go to bed late. He used to go to bed late. G number. He fell sick. He fell sick. H number. H. He went to consult a doctor. He went to consult a doctor. I number. He entered the waiting room. He entered the waiting room. C number C. He sat beside a bearded man. He sat beside a bearded man. Number A. The room was full of people. The room was full of people. Number B. He felt a little uneasy. He felt uneasy as he waited for his turn. Completed. Look at the whiteboard. First, you have to read the sentences, then you write a list. After reading the sentences, write the only key number in the box or chart. Then you have to write all the sentences in a paragraph. In this way, if you write in your exercise khata or in the exam, you have got full mark in the exam. Is there any problem? This is the system to write rearrange. Is there any problem? Ask something. No more today. Thank everyone. See you again next class. Goodbye.